Yes, di ba yung sinabi lang po si Justice Leon and being the ponente na sabi niya impeachment should never be abused to maintain dominance of greed by shaming those who are to occupy high government positions. Ganun. Sa tingin niyo po ba, patama po ba ito sa naging proseso? Ganyan po ba yung nangyari?
Suporta ako doon naman doon. Ako sa sinasabing impeachment should not be abused. Oo, suportado ako doon. Pero hindi. Power should not be abused.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Tuta Soto, yung sinabi mong power should not be abused. Katulad ba na pagkuha sa bilyong-bilyong pondo ng PhilHealth? Asan ka dito, Soto? Bakit ang tahimik mo sa PhilHealth? Bakit walang malalim at komprehensibong investigasyon sa Blue Ribbon Committee sa bilyong yun kinuha sa PhilHealth? Putak ka ng putak. Asan yun pinagmamalaking mong power should not be abused? Magsalita ka sa PhilHealth. Asan ka dito sa PhilHealth? Asan ka?
These measures undermine the very nature of PhilHealth funds as pooled resources for social health insurance, hinder the UHCA's goal of delivering comprehensive and universal health care, and ultimately violates the people's right to health and to an affordable, sustainable, and accessible public health insurance. The Supreme Court also denied the petitioner's request to determine the liability of the DOF Secretary for technical malversation and/or plunder, ruling that such matters are improper for resolution in this case.
To fight for what we believe in, undeterred by the fear of failing or losing. Indeed, courage knows no limits. Cowardice does.